Hey, what's up everybody? Zack Hample here, and check out all this stuff. This is a very special video because these baseball items are things that I'm gonna be giving away as prizes later this year. It's all connected to a big fundraiser I'm doing for a children's baseball charity called Pitch In for Baseball. You can see their logo right here on the screen. You can see it's right here on my shirt as well. So in just a few minutes later on in this video, I'll explain a little more about what they do and how you can be eligible to win this stuff. But for right now, I just want to show you this stuff a little bit closer so you can really see what it looks like. So I'm trying to figure out what the coolest item is. There's a lot of cool stuff, but why don't we start with this baseball right here. I'll hold it up quickly. You can see it there. The lighting in here is a little tricky. So I'll also show you a closer look at it so you can really see that logo. It's a commemorative ball for Adrian Beltre's 3,000th hit. Very rare baseball, not a lot of those around. And in addition to giving that away, this will be part of that prize. You can also win these two commemorative pins, give you a closer look at those as well. So the baseball and these two pins will be bundled up as one prize. Here's another baseball that I'm giving away, which I just acquired recently at spring training in Arizona. You can see it has the commemorative spring training logo on it. This was a game-used ball. It was tossed to me down by the dugout late in one of the games, Cactus League action, so that can be yours. Here's another prize that involves several items bundled together in one. So you got 6 baseball cards. People on the New York Mets, they are all autographed. We got Lance Johnson, Sid Fernandez, Roger McDowell, Jeff Torborg, Wally Whitehurst, and Blaine Beatty, who pitched about 15 career innings and had a career ERA under 3. So that's kind of interesting. These could all be yours as one prize. How about this? We have a Pete Rose bobblehead. You can see what the outside of the box looks like, and I'll show you the inside as well. I acquired this last year in Cincinnati at Great American Ballpark. It was a giveaway, and now it is a giveaway all over again because I'm gonna be giving it to you. Now, how about this bobblehead? This might be the coolest thing of all. It's a Zack Hample bobblehead. Who's that guy? So you can see the outside of the box, and I'll show you the inside there. This was made by the National Bobblehead Hall of Fame and Museum. They made, I think, 500 of these. They sent me a few extras to give away. So once again, I will pass this along to you as a prize. All right, check out this one. This is sort of like a bobblehead, but might even be more interesting. This is made by Baseball Figures. You can see it's Bryce Harper, and I'm actually not going to open this up and show you what it looks like because this plastic is much harder to open than a box, but I think you get the idea of what this looks like. Next up, check out this. And actually, let me turn this bobblehead around so you can see that better. This is a copy of my latest book, The Baseball. Just flip through, kind of show you what it looks like in there. So if you win this book and you want me to sign it, you just let me know. I can personalize it. I can just write my name in it for you. I don't have to sign it at all. And I'm also happy to sign the bobblehead for you as well. So lots of fun, historical, interesting things in this book, plus a huge section at the end about how to catch baseballs at games. So the book could be yours. Okay, how about this? Did you notice this All-Star logo sitting over here? This is a rally towel from the 2016 All-Star Game at Petco Park in San Diego. It even has a little authentication sticker on there. And in addition to this, I will also throw in as one prize these 2 ticket lanyards, which, if you can get a nice close look right there, is from the 2017 All-Star Game in Miami, Marlins Park. So we got, this is like basically a whole All-Star Game bundle. These 2 lanyards, the rally towel, can all be together as one prize for you. Okay, this one is so special I should probably be wearing gloves to handle it. It is a softball, as you can see, because it actually says softball right on there. And you know who signed this? This is signed by Corey Spangenberg on the Padres. Yeah, there was like a home run hitting exhibition with softballs at Busch Stadium last year, and I caught several of them, including this one, and then I got Spangenberg to sign it. So, hot item right here, you guys. Good luck. And let's see, that brings us, I'm gonna talk about this glove in a moment, but let me tell you about this right here. You can see this is a fairly snazzy Yankees bag, zippers, canvas, we got the straps and everything. And I'm gonna open it up and pull out all the things that come with it. In fact, I'm just gonna spread out all this stuff on the floor and give you a closer look, because that would be easier. So you can see, in addition to the bag, there are 2 Yankee baseball caps. There's a Yankees ski hat, a t-shirt, a warm-up jersey type of thing, Yankee headphones, and 2 packs of baseball cards. So I'm gonna be giving away all of this stuff together as one Yankee bundle of prizes. These were mostly giveaway items at the stadium last year, and I'd rather give them away to you guys than keep it for myself. So there you have it. Now, you may have seen this baseball glove sitting there. Hang tight, we'll get to that, it's coming up. But just very quickly, you can win a custom glove from Wilson through this fundraiser. But first, let me just tell you quickly about Pitch In for Baseball, which provides baseball and softball equipment to underprivileged kids and communities, people in need all over the world. So for example, if there are natural disasters, floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and an entire Little League storage facility gets wiped out and all the equipment is lost, Pitch In for Baseball steps up and provides additional equipment to get these kids back out on the field playing ball. Or if there are just communities that don't have a lot of money and people can't afford equipment, again, Pitch In for Baseball will help them. So I think it's an awesome cause. And back in 2015, when I snagged A-Rod's 3,000th hit and I gave the ball to him and the Yankees donated $150,000 for it to a charity, that was Pitch In for Baseball that got the money. And a couple of years before that, in 2013, I was sponsored all season by Big's Sunflower Seeds, and they donated a whole bunch of money as well, 15,000 bucks to the charity. So if this charity is good enough for the Yankees and for A-Rod, for a big sunflower seed company, I hope it's good enough for you. Pitch In for Baseball has partnerships with Little League, with Major League Baseball. Former Major Leaguer Roy Smalley is on their board of directors. And they actually have a partnership with Wilson Sporting Goods as well, which is why I can offer a glove to you guys. So, okay, how to actually win stuff. And let me just say that I've worked with Pitch In for Baseball every season since 2009. I've done a fundraiser every year. So we're just gonna keep it going this year as well. So, basically, you know how people will sometimes run a marathon for charity and get their friends to pledge a little bit of money for every mile they run, maybe $1 per mile or whatever? Well, that's kind of what I'm doing, but my marathon is gonna be the entire Major League Baseball season. Regular season, All-Star Game, Home Run Derby, and postseason. And instead of running miles, I'm gonna be snagging baseballs in the stands. So I'm hoping that you guys will pledge a little bit of money per ball that I snag. All right, now I will probably snag about 500 balls this year, maybe 600, maybe a little bit more than that, because we're counting everything. Not just gamers, but batting practice, toss-ups, a ball lands in the seats, I pick it up. Even after the game, the home plate umpire walks off the field, he's got a few extra baseballs in his pouches, he hands me one, that counts. So, basically, for every penny per ball that you donate to my fundraiser, your name will be thrown into a hat at the end of the season when I start picking names to see who wins prizes. So the more money you donate, the more times your name gets thrown in the hat, which means the better the odds are that you'll get picked. So for the sake of doing some simple math, let's say I snag 500 baseballs and you pledge 1 penny per ball. That would turn out to be a $5 donation, right? If you pledge 2 pennies per ball and I snag 500 balls, that would be a $10 donation. If you pledge 10 cents per ball, that'll be 50 bucks. Again, this is approximate because I might snag more than that, maybe less, but that kind of makes it fun because you don't know exactly what to expect. So when I'm picking names out of the hat, whoever gets picked first gets the first choice out of all these prizes. And if you get picked second, you get the second choice and so on. But you can only win 1 prize per person. So if you donate $50,000 per baseball, Bill Gates, if you're watching this, and you just keep getting picked over and over and over, sorry, just the first time you get picked, you get to choose a prize. We're gonna have 10 different winners for these prizes, and then that brings up the issue of the glove, okay? Now, this glove, you'll actually be able to go onto the Wilson website and go to the custom glove section, and you can design your own glove. You can choose the color for the laces, the leather, if you want your name on there, all that stuff. And then I will have you send that design to someone at Pitch In for Baseball who will submit it, and you will receive a free glove approximately 8 to 10 weeks later. So you should have this in time for next baseball season. But how do you win the glove? The glove is gonna be a bonus prize drawing for people who pledge at least 10 cents per ball. So we're gonna have 10 different prizes given away to 10 different people. But even if you win one of those prizes, you're still eligible to win this glove if you pledge at least 10 cents per ball. So that's how that's gonna work. So what's the next thing for you guys to do? Check the description below this video. There's a ton of info there about how all this stuff works. If I've forgotten anything, you know, lots of details, I'll include it in the description. And most importantly, you will find a direct link there to my fundraiser page on a website called Pledge It, which is working with Pitch In for Baseball to collect all the donations. So none of the money ever enters my possession. I'm just sort of like the middleman. Pledge It will collect the money, they'll pass it along to the charity, and I'm offering all these prizes as incentive to hopefully get you guys involved. So that's pretty much it. I will probably be mentioning this fundraiser and the charity throughout this season, so I really hope you guys get involved. When I do a video after the World Series, picking names out of a hat and giving away signed stuff and bobbleheads, and where is it? And that Adrian Beltre commemorative ball, super rare, and you're out there watching and you're like, I didn't know you were gonna do this. I wanted to win some prizes. Guys, I'm telling you right now what you have to do. And you can pledge, like I said, as little as 1 penny per ball, which will probably be like $5 or $6, maybe 7, and have a chance to win this stuff. But of course, the more you donate, the better. And if you can't donate at all, that's okay. I'm just really excited to share this with you guys, to let you know what I'm doing. It feels so good to be able to use my collection and to use the attention that my collection gets to give something back to the baseball world and to help kids out there play ball. So that's what this is all about. It's gonna be another big season for me. Not sure if I'm gonna hit up all 30 stadiums, but I'm sure I'll get to at least 20 of them. I'm gonna be in San Juan for the games down there in Puerto Rico. I'm gonna be in Monterrey, Mexico for that series as well. Probably gonna hit up the All-Star stuff in DC. I'm sure I'll be going to some postseason games as well. So anyway, that's really it. Thank you for watching, and I'll have many more videos coming for you soon.